pretties, legendary witch.
And Logan.
Me.
Or Logan. That is Logan.
Me.
Anywho, let the shenanigans begin.
What?
Shenanigans.
What?
Shenanigans.
What?
Shenanigans.
What?
Okay, so the biggest pet peeve I have in this entire world is to repeat myself. I hate to repeat myself. It irritates me to no end. Except for the word shenanigans.
What?
I could say shenanigans all day long.
What?
Speaking of shenanigans.
What?
Today, we are reviewing the Loreal Colorista semi-permanent hair color in purple.
Review it. Get close up.
Anyway, we're gonna have a talk. My hair on my head has been a journey, to say the least.
How has it been everywhere? How has it been up on a mountain?
Me and my hair have been through some real struggles.
What did the hair do?
All right, well, let's start at the beginning. I have dyed my hair.
Oh.
Every single color on the face of the sun. I have bleached, stripped, dyed, then bleached, stripped, dyed again, stripped, dyed, stripped, bleach, strip, dye. I have done things to your head that you should have never done. I don't know how my hair has not fallen off my head. However, I finally decided to do a giant reset, and I shaved my head last year, several months before I got pregnant. So, early in my channel, you can see how short my hair is because I did the big chop and I went and it was gone. So this is about a year's worth of growth from a clipper cut. So I have resolved not to bleach. However, I did leave a little bit of long hair on top of my head when I did do the big chops, just so I had some bangs, like something. So in the very, 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 very ends of my hair, there may be some bleach. But this is all my natural, and it is every shade. It has gray, it has ash blonde, medium blonde, golden tones, orange tones, brown tones. Everything is in here. But I have not bleached it, and I don't want to bleach it for a really long time. My husband made me promise not to dye my hair for a while. Though I did not cry when I chopped my hair. It was very liberating. You do not need hair to be beautiful. And there are some great YouTube videos. If I can find one about a girl who hacked her hair and then did nothing to it up until the point of the video, I was watching it. Inspiring. Truly inspiring. But yeah. So I'm on step 1 right now, which is to wash and fully dry your hair, so that we can have this discussion. Yeah, so we're not trying to bleach. So I'm going to test this as a natural blonde. So currently my hypothesis is that the highlights of my hair are going to pick up the purple, but all this thick stuff, the dark stuff under my hair on the underside, it's probably not going to take. However, there was a girl with really freaking dark hair, and the blue shined in the light, and that looked pretty amazing. So we're going to try. I mean, here's the picture on the back of the box. I think I constitute a medium blonde or lighter. So we're going to see. But I use dandruff shampoo. Yes, I've never had dandruff before in my life, so we're going to test this thing against dandruff freaking shampoo. So hopefully we get the four washes before it's completely out.
Do you notice anything about my shirt?
There's a taco. It's raining tacos. Okay. Anywho, so in my experience of being a rainbow of hair colors, purple is the safest on blonde because inevitably it washes back to blonde. The purple tones neutralize the yellow tones temporarily so that it appears to be pale, ashy, silvery, that kind of stuff. And then it washes out. Purple wants to be blonde, believe it or not, as long as it's not a red base. So those deep burgundies and all that other stuff in the permanent dye do not want to go blonde because that is a lot of red. This is a blue base purple. This is going to come out of my hair. The question is how fast? In the meantime, while we are waiting for my hair to dry.
Anything different about my hair?
Logan and I are hanging out. So I bought unicorn glow hollow masks.
Are we going to do those today?
We are doing these right now.
Right now?
Right now. And while we are mystical, beautiful rainbow unicorns, okay, we are going to be eating cake.
What?
Cake.
What? Which one?
Cake.
Which one?
The one I brought home from work.
Ah!
I will get right back to you so that we can begin this journey together.
Yep.
Okay. We begin with the hair dye. So
I take this out of my hair?
Well, I'm dyeing my hair. I'm not dyeing your hair. I don't think you're allowed to have this at school. Okay, so we got the dye.
I said I'm going to take this out of my hair.
Okay, we have this thing, which is useless, so meh.
Oh my goodness, there's cords in this.
And then we have lay instructions. So I'm going to be a rebel, and I'm also going to take these. Oh, there's a lot of gloves in here. There's a lot.
Can I have one?
Hold on, let me do my thing, and then you can have it.
But I know what to do with one.
What? Okay, here, fine. I don't need all these. Take the glove. Okay, so I guess I'm more of a medium blonde, so I think we're looking on here. There's a color chart. As far as directions go, I don't need those either.
You're gonna need directions.
I do not, because I have been doing this for 15 years. I think I know. And if I don't, I'm gonna have a really good YouTube fail video. Okay. These feel weird. They're like perfect shopping glove material. So I'm gonna section my hair. I'm gonna do this thing. I just know when I'm doing my whole head with semi-permanent, those brush things are a joke. Unless you're doing highlights or lowlights, it's not gonna do its thing. I know this dye is safe to leave on as long as I want because it is pre-mixed. It's just pigment, so it's going to be fine. All right. Instead of doing a test patch, we're going balls deep. See this? Balls deep. I don't have a mirror, so I'm going. Yeah, I just did that. I completely forgot I was on camera. Ooh, it's very, very conditioning. This feels just like conditioner. I don't think this is very purple. So, when you're doing permanent hair dye, you're supposed to start from the back of your head and then work your way forward because the hair in the back of your head is the thickest and the coarsest. So, it does not want to develop as fast as the top of your head where it is warmer and more delicate hair. So just out of practice, I'm just starting back here. Temporary dye, it doesn't matter. Okay. So that's there. Keep my crown, get rid of the rest. probably for your benefit, I'm going to time lapse from here on out.
What it's gonna look like.
I don't know. Okay, so I finished working the color all the way through my hair. I wasn't super worried about my roots because these really pastel-y semi-permanents do not want to stick to natural roots. It's the healthiest hair. There's no point. They tell you in the directions. They show you on the back of the box. So I'm not going to drive myself crazy. In the meantime, I'm going to let this sit as long as humanly possible. So I think just my ends are going to be really purple. So we're going to do these hologram masks. So it says that it's like a holographic. Okay, so this has been sitting for about 40 minutes to an hour. So I'm gonna rinse this out. Wish me luck. But I think it's just in my ends, which is fine. I didn't want to have to bleach my hair. So if I can even just get a little bit of color, I'm okay with it. Okay, so I'm towel drying it. And all of my natural kind of warm, dark blonde is not colored, which is about what I expected. But my ends where the bleach had been is beautiful and bright. But my hair is actually not this dark. So let's dry this. I'm gonna try moving this down. So let's dry this and see what we get. I forgot I could pop a circuit breaker, so I will be back. Here it is all dry. And yeah, it's in this last little bit of bleach that's in the end of my hair and not my natural at all. It looks beautiful. I mean, thank God my hair ombra'd kind of naturally from the bleach. It's gorgeous, but you really need bleach for this. It's very hydrating. It's like a conditioner. And I used, what did I use? I used dandruff shampoo. So, I mean, my hair is a bit damaged and dry from the dandruff. I've never had dandruff before. Well, after I got pregnant, this is really pretty. I like it. I'm glad I didn't mess up my hair. And I know this is going to wash out. I know it. If you think that there is another one I should try, let me know on the Twitter. on Twitter. It's @witchnerdy. Or I may have a picture on Instagram. I haven't decided yet, but that is nerdy_witch. Please subscribe so that we can try new hair dyes on my natural blonde here, because I don't want to bleach it again. I've gone a year without bleaching it. I don't want to do that to myself again. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I want to try some other ones too, but we're going to see how long this lasts. I think it's only going to last the 4 washings, honestly. Also, this is my hair dryer. This is the Croc Ice Digital, top of the line circuit breaker hair dryer. And actually, I think it has ions that actually leave my hair a lot better condition when I actually do use the hair dryer. So yeah, love this. Colorista, yeah, something cute for like a weekend. This isn't a permanent look. Well, I keep playing with it. I think everybody does when they get their hair done. My blonde yellows are still in here. My hair is really healthy after a year of not bleaching it, that it's just not holding any of the color. Oh my. Well, that's it for this one. So don't recommend the masks. This is okay. Love my hair dryer, but I'm not going to go in all the specifics of it. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you want to see my next video, please hit the notification bell. And as always, I'm going to ask you to take care, and bye, witches.